I'm sorry, man, but
No, fuck
you said a racial slur
Fuck you.
and you're being extremely rude and saying that you're gonna say the moderators hate you, bro.
No, I'm sorry.
I mean, like, it's... Fetty, say something.
Hey, what are you gonna say?
Wait, Freddy as in the moderator?
Yep, Fetty's moderator.
I'm leaving.
Thank you, Fetty. Fetty and I, Riff Raff, and what was his name? Bro, I can literally follow you. You're on recording.
No, fuck you, dude. I'm just gonna tell Riff Raff that you're lying, because I'm friends with him.
Bro, he literally knows you said a slur word. Plus, you're on recording, bro. So he can actually...
Oh my god, mate.
So if you just say that you're... And if, yes, I know. You just said that I'm just going to tell him because he's going to believe me because I know him. That you know that's obvious giveaway, right?
Mate, you're just lying and you're mad because I'm telling the truth, mate.
Bro, Fetty, you know that I'm... Bro. Fetty, you heard this kid, am I correct?
No, what did he say?
He's saying... So technically what he said, he was like... What do you say? He's like, you know, streams VR, you know what I mean? He's like... What's the word I'm looking for? He's like saying extremely toxic things. Like, not racial slurs, but like toxic things.
Like, this mall sucks.
I don't know, something like that. Just join the game.
You're a retard, mate. Fuck you.
Bro, he just said I was a retard and he told me to fuck myself. And it's on recording. My boy. I'm recording. Bro, he's putting his name as the N-word.
Fuck you, mate. Fuck you.
Bro, you're on recording, bro. Riff Raff's getting you banned. You're gonna be banned, bro.
Riff Raff won't care, mate. He's my friend.
I don't know. Is there? I mean, like, you have PlayFab. Do something. Not you. No, I'm talking about Riff Raff.
I think you're just mad because I'm better friends with Riff Raff than you are.
Bro, just to let you know, I believe I was in the Discord server longer than you.
Okay, mate, I'm still a friend of his.
Yeah, but I have video proof. So who do you think he's gonna believe?
Well, he can believe you, but he just won't ban me because
I mean, like, he would.
No,
I have evidential proof. Video proof.
Shut up, mate.
No, I won't.
You know what? Yeah, get your pussy ass Fetty Saber on the game. I don't care.
Oh my god. Riffraff's hearing every second of this. This is getting uploaded to YouTube, my boy. This is getting uploaded to YouTube, boy.
No, okay. I'm sorry. Okay.
Nope, this is getting uploaded to YouTube, bro. Hey, Fetty, it's him. Bro, Fetty, it's him. Fetty, is that you? Is that you, Fetty?
Hi.
He's behind you.
Yep, that's me.
He's behind you.
What's up? Yo, fuck you, mate. Fuck you.
I'm recording, see? See, look. You see this? See his name?
I joined, and this little guy is just can't.
I'm literally just recording this. Fetty, should I upload this to YouTube?
I get online, and there's already.
I'm definitely uploading this to YouTube. Definitely sending this to Riff Raff.
I just banned him.
No, you didn't.
Where'd he go then, huh?
Okay, I'll just ask him real
Banned
quick.
him.
Okay, ban me then.
Nah, I like playing games with you.
Yeah, that's proof you didn't do it. I just gotta wait for him to join back to the voice chat unless his game just crashed. Most likely his game crashed.
Is such a good owner. How come
Obviously he is. He's like the best. He's like actually one of the best owners.
if
I'm
he's
stuck.
such a good moderator,
He's an owner, not a
I don't give
moderator.
Fuck that you're stuck. If he's such a good owner and he likes his moderation team, how come I'm still in the Discord?
Bro, everybody gets 3 warnings. You noticed that, right?
Saying the N-word was a big
Everybody
offense
still
to
gets
me.
3 warnings. If you read the rules, 2 warnings, and the third one's a ban. And this is at least worth maybe 2 warnings. Maybe 3. I'm not really sure.
Fuck you, retard. Fuck you, retard.
You're on recording. This is getting posted to YouTube and Riffraff, and yeah. But I'm gonna keep recording just until you leave.
You think I'm scared? You laugh like a fucking pony. Yo, shut up, mate.
Hey, Fetty, what happened? Fetty, what happened? This guy's literally calling me a retard, bro.
I kicked him. I kicked him.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Ask him.
Fetty, what happened?
I got kicked. My game got deleted.
I told you, mate. I banned him.
No, you.
And now
Do
he's
it
on
to me.
my-
Do it to me then. Do it to
sound
me.
like the British version of Nikado Avocado. You legit sound like the version of Pat God who cannot pat. You sound like the $5 Wish version of the McDonald's cheeseburger I ate last night. You legit sound like those cheeseburgers and the Good Burger who are talking to me.
Bro.
You legit sound like the whole entire map person in
Bro, you sound like Nick Avocado.
Mate, this is why you're a shitty moderator. That's why you're.
Bro, you're as big as Nick Avocado, bro.
I wish we had monkey and middle fingers in this game.
Oh yeah, I wish we had this. Oh no! Ah! Here comes the ice. Doo 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 doo. Where are you guys? Where's Racial Slur Kid?
This game sucks.
Where's Racial Slur Kid?
Yeah, what's up, Icy? If I'm such a big waste of this game, how come I'm still not banned, huh?
Bro, everybody gets 3 warnings.
But I
Delete the
think
game.
saying the
Simple.
N-word was enough warnings.
Give me a minute. I'm gonna quickly